All right, my beautiful followers, welcome to today's class. As we discussed last week, today we are going to be treating a temperature controller. And in today's class, we'll be making use of this controller, REX C700. And if you look here, you are going to see all the specifications. It measures between 0 to 400 degrees Celsius, and then the output is a relay, of course, which you are going to be using to control either your cooling fan or maybe a water valve, whichever one you choose. Now, the supply voltage that goes inside here is 220 volts, 50 to 60 hertz. Okay, so if you look at this other side of this controller, you're going to see the connections. Here you have the out, which is the relay, and then this is the alarm contacts. And what this one does is when we get to the maximum temperature where the fan is supposed to start, we should have either an audio alarm or a visual alarm. An audio alarm is an alarm that you can hear the sound. The visual alarm is just the one you can see in form of a light or a pilot lamp. So this other connection here is where you connect the thermistor. The thermistor is the temperature sensor. This is where you connect it. And all the connections are here clearly. So what we are going to do today is that we'll be making use of our thermistor. Our thermistor is going to be this one. This is our thermistor. And then it has two terminals, which we are going to connect on the thermistor terminal of this one. And then we will be making use of this fan. This is going to serve as the cooling fan, which is going to start as soon as the temperature gets to the maximum. And then also, we are going to be making use of this relay. The relay here, all right, this relay here should actually do that. But I would like us to make use of this one so that we take off any form of load from the contacts of this particular relay. We're going to transfer it here. So this particular relay inside here, the relay here is going to drive the coil of this relay, and the contact of this relay is going to drive our fan. All right. So first of all, let's get done with our wiring. All right. So the first, let us connect our thermistor. So the connection for the thermistor, if you look at this place, you have this one on the upper part and you have this one on the lower part. So the same way it is when you turn it like this one is the upper part while this one is the lower part.